You are hi, welcome in my channel, my beloved traders. Yeah, it has been a while, but here I am. I'm just from learning something right now. I do a lot of research, as you can see. I'm from just learning things about forex trading. I also have other books, another book here that I do a lot of writing in after making my research. Yeah, I'm just from learning right now, and before I go to work, I just thought of making for you some content here, and then I pack and go. I'm just so busy nowadays, and it has been a very busy month, and yeah, I have to keep working, and life should keep going, and also on small time, if I get any small time, I can make for you some content so that you can also learn with me, especially for the beginners who have no idea about forex. This is their channel. Yeah, you can come here and you learn with me together. I think let me put on my shirt and then I sit well somewhere, and we analyze the chart on how I've been taking my trades. Let me take you out on the veranda because I'm now tired of staying in the house. I think outside would be better so that I can also get more lighting. Yeah, it's a very shiny day today, and I believe that all will be well today. Let me get some cloth here, some piece of cloth for me to actually sit on. Forex has been really going well this month, and since now we are in a new year, and the year has just started. The market has come back normal, not like at the end of the year of 2025. We are now in 2026. The market has stabilized, and this is now February. Yeah, not January. Yeah, February. We are now heading to March, and all is well. The market is moving fine as normal, and you come and you trade, come and you learn, okay, from me, and I welcome you. In case you like my content, remember to subscribe, like, and share. And I'm Mr. Ato, and I'm Ato trader by name, who lives in a gate of Kampala, Wakaliga. Yeah, so forex as is so interesting to me, and I believe that one day when I get big capital, I will really make it through. For now, I don't have big capital because I don't have even money to buy challenge yet, but my trading skill has really improved a lot, and all is just kawa. I'm only trading on small account, as I told you, and it's always advisable to start trading on small accounts, not big accounts, because if you start on big account, you are likely to lose that money, and it can cause you mental mental torture. Is it right? Mental, like as in suffering mentally. Because money is always hard to make outside there, and then you had earned money, you end up dumping it in the market, in uh, and then after dumping you end up, okay, and then just you end up dumping your money in the market by losing it, and you'll really suffer a lot psychologically. Some people even die. I've seen like as in online reports about people who died because they've lost some amount of money in the market. And this normally happens when you have no skills of trading. Yeah, but if you have skills of trading, you can start with small amounts, and then you advance to, and then you scale to bigger amount of money, and eventually you will enjoy trading and also enjoy your money. Therefore, without wasting a lot of time, let us jump in the chat and we see really how I have been trading and also how I have been analyzing the chart. And the way I do, I believe you can also do the same. I see something in my eye, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe it's camera lighting. Yeah. So the way I analyze, you can also analyze the same. Yeah. Let us jump in there and we see traders. This is the trade that I actually took. Is it the one? No, not this one. I took USD JPY this morning, and it really went so fast and so well. Yeah, this is it. So with a USD JPY, it was just so simple and easy peasy. Yeah, can you say easy peasy? I took it this morning, and my lowest time frame was 1 hour. Yeah, but even if my lowest time frame was 1 hour, the trade really functioned so fantastically. Therefore, also this one here was taken last week. Yeah, so I'm trading multiple currency pairs. That's why in this pair I only have 2 trades in it, but still it went on my favor. So let me show you exactly how I took this one in particular, and then we come here also. Yeah, I first started by seeing on high time frame. Yeah, I just went in a weekly time frame, because on high time frame you can really see clearly about you can easily see clear market structure. As you can see, I have marked mine here. Okay, you can even go to monthly if you want. Yeah, but I think I marked it on monthly. Yeah, it was monthly. I could see here the market left some order block. Yeah, even this order block. No, this was this one here. But then I saw that when the market is going to reverse, it will reverse here first. Let me just clone this one here. Yeah, let me clone it and put it this one. So I saw that the market to come back to this order block here, it will take a while. Even here will take a while, but then I took this area here. Yeah, whereby I believe that the price will come and mitigate and fill this, or the price will come up to this area here in a nearby future. Not now, because this is only 1 month analysis, and then on weekly time frame you can now see clearly here this area, this last area. First, forget about these 2 areas here, this one and this one. But then let us first focus here, because the market will start from here in case it will come back to that area. But then also I saw that this area is also too far. And then the next area where the market may come to is here at this support level here. Yeah, because the market tried to okay, because the market trend is high. Okay, the market trend is going upward, and here, although it tried to go upward, the price came back, and the price did it come back? The price came and retested this area. Okay, this support area started from here and then tested here and then tested here as well. But then here the price has not yet come back to test here. Yeah, the price just started shooting upward without coming back here. Who knows, it may come, but not now. Yeah, that one was on weekly, and then on daily. We can zoom there and we see. Yeah, this is exactly what the price is now doing. Let me first remove this one, the stuffs here. There's some stuffs here. I think those were the trades I took last year. Yeah, okay, it's good to clear your chart as I'm trying here. Those are just long term trades. I think they're done. Yeah, so on the daily now, you can see clear movements. Okay, this is a very serious uptrend. Remember, trade with the trend, let the trend be your friend. Yeah, for me, I actually like trading with trend, because I have known that the let the trend be your friend. Okay, move with what the market is doing. The price still kept respecting and touching the other blocks. Yeah, it left the other block here, it came and left the other block, left the other block, and then it did the same in this area as well. But this other block didn't touch this trend line. Yeah, so for someone who wanted to take this trade, he could have marked his other block. As you can see, he could have just marked his other block from here, here, like that, and then he waits for the price to come to it. Okay, and then waits for the price to come to it, and then takes his entry around here, stop loss there, and then take profit up to there. Also, when you're trading, make sure that your risk to reward ratio of 1% is tight. Okay, not very tight, but somehow tight, to give you a very serious risk to reward ratio of take profit. Yeah, your entry will be around here, because this other block has been filled. Yeah, that other block there has been filled, and then on 4 hours, let's see into detail what is happening there. So then we have seen that there's been a shift. Okay, a shift in the change of market direction. So this is our main trend line on 1 day, but now the market has not come to it. Okay, the market is still shooting upward in a very weird way. So what I did, for me, I just marked my trend line very neatly. Let me remove this one. Okay, even this one here, let me remove it to give us some clear space. So I made sure that my trend line touches 3 lines. Yeah, and then on touching the 3 lines, the market retested this trend line. Okay, the market retested it after this one here, and then I made sure that after this candlestick here, a bullish candlestick is formed. So I made sure that I see the price is going up. Yeah, so when I saw the price has started moving up, making these 3 bullish candlesticks, and then I just had to take my entry. And take my entry, my risk to reward ratio, I made it 3, because I knew that this price will come up to this level. it will come up to this level here. This is where your stop loss should be. Yeah, but still it went above it and took the take profit, and that's just simple about this trade. Yes, traders. Yes, how are you? Good. How's it going? Oh, okay. Kamana I will give you, but I don't have it now. But I will give it to you probably end of this month.
You're going to pay 2 months.
That's not a problem. End of this month I'll pay 2 months.
Yeah, because January and February. Last time we have paid December.
Last month I cleared.
You cleared
Yeah,
December.
yeah, you're demanding me this month
Yeah.
only, right?
This month, February.
Yeah, you're demanding only February. Yeah, last month I gave you 100. Don't you remember when my wife was here?
And it was November and December. It was November and December.
This is we are in
This is February.
You're demanding me only this month. This month only.
This month?
Yeah.
Sister. Sister.
Maybe she has gone to work. Yeah. So traders, for now I would like to stop here, and I believe I will see you in the next one. Let me hope that this video has been helpful to you. Bye.